In this video, watch the process of transforming huge logs into perfect wooden planks using advanced woodworking techniques. This skillful woodworker shows how to cut and shape. And there you have it. Your beautiful woodworking project is complete. We hope this guide helps you in your journey to mastering woodworking skills. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and leave any questions or comments below. This script provides a comprehensive and engaging walkthrough for a woodworking video. You can adjust it according to your specific project.
We start by marking out the space for our pen slots, tool slot, and the wider area where a phone or small notebook can rest. A pencil line is the first promise you make to the project, so draw with intention and clarity. Once everything is marked, secure the wood firmly and begin cutting with slow, steady strokes. Let the saw glide instead of fighting it, and listen to the soft rasp of the blade moving through the grain. When the basic shape is ready, the real pleasure begins, carving the slots by hand with chisels. This process isn't rushed. Each tap of the mallet lifts a thin curl of wood, and as the slots deepen, you'll feel the piece slowly taking shape beneath your fingertips. Smooth the walls of each slot, square the corners, and make the bottoms flat so everything sits neatly. Now it's time to sand, first rough, then medium, then fine, until the entire surface feels like something meant to be touched, not avoided. When the wood is smooth and ready, we bring it to life with a coat of natural oil. As you rub it in, you'll watch the grain darken and shine, the surface glowing with warmth like it's waking up after a long rest. Wipe it clean, give it a moment to breathe, and admire how a plain block of wood has turned into a practical, beautiful organizer that carries the quiet satisfaction of being handmade. If you enjoyed this build, stay with me. This channel is just beginning, and there are many more creations waiting to take shape from raw wood into something real. Every good project begins with a single piece of wood and a small spark of imagination, and